Okay, baby Luigi, you can shoot.
Okay.
Oh, baby Luigi, you hurt me. I don't want to play with you anymore.
But you told me to do it.
I won't play with you anymore. Get away.
Okay, I have no friend to play with now. Mom and Dad? Yes? Fighty Buddy doesn't want to play with me because I hit him in the head with the ball accidentally. But he told me to, so yeah, it counts as me not doing it. Okay, whatever. I don't want to play with. I'm bored. Your mom can take you somewhere. Okay, go with her. Yeah, come with me, okay? I'll bring you somewhere. Oof, now I can buy baby Luigi the dog. Going shopping fun? No. What is this? Is this my new dog? Or is this a dog? Did you buy for me? Please! Yes, this is your dog. You're so excited. I'm so happy that you wanted this. Thank you so much. What should I name you? I'm gonna pet you for now. Well, what should I name you? How about, if anybody's watching this video, you put names in the comments. What should I name this dog of mine? I can hold him. He's so cute. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, so cute. Well, now I'm not gonna be bored. I wanna go play with him.